Hi guys, this video I will discuss Windows table, web tables, how to handle web tables. This particular web tables, how to handle that particular web tables using Selenium code using how to handle web table. We will write that, and first web table open. I will create one HTML web table. That web table I will create it, and let's right click on web table. I want operate this web table. I want print this all type of web table, all this type of all data. I want print this my local system. How to print this and how to write the data, how to handle this, and I will go to clips and will create, and this is 00 13 13 web table, and enable to public certified and finish. I will already copy paste the some information. Why? Because it's a very lengthy program. That's the reason I will copy paste that. Don't worry, I will explain it briefly and very simply. And first we will launch browser, and next is particular URL is enter URL, and second that URL count is that particular web table values and data. Count this particular code, count the syntax. This particular program count the all code in the. I will customize the XPaths in the size. Don't worry, we will learn simply and practice more. We will practice more. We will very simply and print all data. I will print that particular all data and data cell and driver.xpath get text and print that all, and I want print that all, and I want in for loop using for loop. That's a for loop is main thing is values is printed one by one in helping for loop, and string data and driver dot find element by xpath is I is printed one by one in get text. And let's start the video. Let's start the program. I confuse it, but one error is there. What type of error is there is main is gecko driver. This type of errors are there. Don't confuse it. I want, and don't worry guys, I will providing. Okay, this type of, and run this, and running program. This file is not that time. I will check it. This particular will control S Java application will printed, and it is printed one by one. And to see this, sorry, we will close the program. The background is coding is giving the data in storing the data and giving the data and storing that particular coding, and this is the data. To see this, the data is, and one more I will run it. Just I will run the data, wait more time. The time is running this type, and for loop is adding, for loop is giving the data, this type of all data giving the printed, helping for loop. That is, for loop is very helping, and all data is printed, and is the all data is printed in the same. How to all the data is printed in giving this syntax. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.